வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜி டிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்காக 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ், 150 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் வீடியோஸ் பார்ட் 16லேருந்து 20 வரைக்கும் உள்ளதில் 100 கொஷினை செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இது ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டு 4. இந்த வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி மினிமம் ஒரு 1 ஹவருக்கு மேலே இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஃப்ரீ டைம் இருக்கிற மாதிரி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. அந்த நேரத்தில் இந்த ரிவிஷன் டெஸ்ட்டை அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். கையில் பென்னும் பேப்பரும் வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒவ்வொரு கொஷினுக்கும் ஆன்சர் எழுதும்போது டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எழுத வேண்டாம், கொஷின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் எழுதினா போகிறோம். இதோட கடைசி பார்ட்டில் ஆன்சர் போட்டிருக்கோம், அதை இப்போ பார்க்க வேண்டாம். நீங்களே டெஸ்ட்டு எழுதிட்டு கரெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது அதை பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே, இப்போது வீடியோவுக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், த நேச்சர் ஆஃப் அட்வர்டைசிங் that aims to procure order through mails is known as dash. A. Direct action advertising. B. Trade advertising. C. Professional advertising. D. Industrial advertising. Second one, Consumer Protection Act Section 9 provides for the establishment of a 3-tier consumer dispute redressal system, namely A. Local Forum, State Commission and National Commission. B. District Forum, Regional Commission and National Commission. C. District Forum, State Commission and National Commission. D. District Forum, State Commission and Central Commission. Third, which accounting provides comparative data for analysis and interpretation for effective decision making and policy formulation? A. Financial accounting. B. Management accounting. C. Cost accounting. D. Corporate accounting. Fourth one, cash flows include A. Cash receipts only. B. Cash payments only. C. Cash and non-cash income and expenses. D. Cash receipts and cash payments. Fifth one, equity or equity featured capital seeking investment in new ideas, new companies, new products, new processes or new services that offer the potential for high return on investment is called A. Unit capital, B. Venture capital. C. Seed capital. D. Nominal capital. Sixth, the form of organization with main features like democratic management, government control, service motive, voluntary organization is dash. A. Partnership. B. Sole tradership. C. Cooperatives. D. Corporations. Seventh one, the market analysis by which all probable customers of the product are approached and their probable demands for the product are estimated and then summed is dash. A. Complete enumeration survey. B. Sample method. C. Vicarious method. D. Sales experience method. Eighth one, a person who does the necessary preliminary work incidental to the formation of a company is a dash. A. Creditor. B. Shareholder. C. Promoter. D. Registrar. Ninth one, which one of the following is not a part of memorandum? A. Alteration clause. B. Object clause. C. Name clause. D. Capital clause. Tenth one, the bylaws of a company are in A. Articles of Association. B. Memorandum of Association. C. Prospectus. D. Statement in lieu of prospects. 11th, a special resolution must be passed supported by the votes of the members present in the meeting, which should not be less than dash majority. A. 2/3. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. D. 1/2. 12th one, verification of the authority and authenticity of a transaction as recorded in the books of accounts means dash. A. Vouching. B. Confirmation. C. Reconciliation. D. Valuation. 13. The State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited commenced its activities in A. 1971, B. 1972, C. 1970, D. 1974. 14. The data obtained by a study specifically designed to fulfill the data needs of the problem, which is original in character, or dash. A. Journals, B. Secondary data, C. Reports, D. Primary data. 15. The pre-testing of the questionnaire on a sample basis to identify the validity of the questionnaire is called dash. A. Survey, B. Pilot survey, C. Collection, D. Information. 16. Which of the following is not a secondary data? A. Reports, B. Official publication, C. Journals, D. Questionnaire. 17. The market that enables traders involved in foreign trade to get their currencies converted into foreign currencies is dash. A. Foreign exchange market, B. Financial market, C. Capital market, D. Bullion market. 18. The variables lifestyle, personality and values are considered for A. Behavioral segmentation, B. Demographic segmentation, C. Geographic segmentation, D. Psychographic segmentation. 19. A pipeline through which a product flows on its way to the consumer is A. Middleman, B. Retailer, C. Channel, D. Distribution. 20. Price that is fixed at a full number is known as A. Customary price, B. Prestige price, C. Psychological price, D. Odd price. 21st. The reading matter in an advertisement that attracts the attention of readers, creates confidence, and urge to possess the product is A. Advertisement message, B. Advertisement media, C. Advertisement value, D. Advertisement copy. 22nd. The rights of consumer under Consumer Protection Act 1986 does not include A. Right to safety, B. Right to choose, C. Right to purchase, D. Right to consumer education. 23rd. According to the Convention of Conservation, the stock in trade is valued at A. Market price, B. Cost price, C. Market price or cost price, whichever is lower, D. Market price or cost price, whichever is higher. '24. When two or more existing companies combine together to form a new company, it is a condition of A. Internal reconstruction, B. Absorption, C. External reconstruction, D. Amalgamation. 25. In liquidation, contributories means A. Shareholders, B. Debenture holders, C. Creditors, D. Public. 26. On the basis of which value shares are considered for investment? A. Asset value, B. Broker commission, C. Liability value, D. Intrinsic value. 27. Which bank first made the beginning to the introduction of merchant banking services? A. SBI, B. RBI, C. IOB, D. Indian Bank. 28. Which of the following is not a type of lease? A. Financial lease, B. Operating lease, C. Leverage lease, D. Periodical lease. 29. The year in which the government set up the IFCI under a special act was A. 1946, B. 1948, C. 1950, D. 1951. 30. Which bank was established as a wholly owned subsidiary of IDBI? A. IIBI, B. SIDBI, SIDBI, C. IFCI, D. SFC. 31. How many members the government is empowered to nominate for the governing body that manages the stock exchanges? A. Not more than 3, B. Not more than 4, C. Not more than 4, D. None of these. 32. In Solomon versus Solomon case, the feature of a company established was A. Separate property, B. Limited liability, C. Perpetual succession, D. Separate legal entity. 33. Tax is chargeable to a person who is a doctor under the head A. Salary, B. Business, C. Profession, D. Services. 34. Tax deductions allowed in respect of donations relate to A. Section 80C, B. Section 80G, C. Section 80D, D. Section 80E. 35. The full form of CBDT is A. Central Board of Direct Taxes, B. Central Bureau of Direct Taxes, C. Central Board of District Taxes, D. Central Board of Distinct Taxes. 36. What is the due date for filing of returns in case of an individual? A. 30th September of the assessment year, B. 30th April of the assessment year, C. 31st December of the assessment year, D. 31st July of the assessment year. 37. Which of the following is not a current liability? A. Creditors. B. Loan installment payable in current year. C. Temporary bank loan. D. Arrears of preference dividend. 38. The method of costing applied for the job that is big and spread over long period of time is dash. A. Job costing. B. Contract costing. C. Batch costing. D. Operation costing. 39. The account that includes the imports and exports of visible items during a given year is dash. A. Current account. B. Capital account. C. Trade balance. D. Account of trading. 40. The highest policy-making body of the Asian Development Bank is dash. A. Board of Directors. B. Board of Governors. C. Board of Members. D. Board of Advisors. 41. IMF created a special type of money to add to the reserve asset is dash. A. Special drawing right. B. Special deposit right. C. Special drawing reserve. D. Special disposal reserve. 42. Capital reduction account is prepared in case of which of the following? A. External reconstruction. B. Amalgamation. C. Absorption. D. Internal reconstruction. 43. The book Theory of Motivation is written by dash. A. Madsen. B. Maslow. C. Murray. D. Hull. 44. The present Secretary General of the United Nations Organizations is A. Ban Ki-moon. B. Antonio Guterres, C. Kofi Annan, D. Ashraf Ghani. 45. The President of India can nominate how many members to Rajya Sabha? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 12. 46. The convenient deposit from the businessman's point of view is dash. A. Current deposit, B. Savings account, C. Fixed deposit, D. Recurring deposit. 47. Commercial banks are not required to disclose information under Right to Information Act because dash. A. They are regulated by Reserve Bank of India. B. They are not public authorities. C. They are statutory bodies of joint stock companies. D. They are financial institutions. 48. Factoring means dash. A. Financing against bills receivable. B. Financing invoices without recourse only. C. Purchasing and or administering the receivables of a concern. D. Collecting the receivables and remitting to the seller. 49. The East India Company of England got permission to trade in India during the period of dash. A. Shah Jahan, B. Jahangir, C. Bahadur Shah, D. Aurangzeb. 50. Modern marketing is dash. A. Consumer oriented, B. Production oriented, C. Exchange oriented, D. Sales oriented. 51. NCTE stands for A. National Council for Technical Education, B. National Center for Teacher Education, C. National Council for Teacher Education, D. National Center for Technical Education. (52) Which is the key element in the marketing mix? A. Product. B. Price. C. Brand. D. Package. 53. Tax planning is A. Legal in nature. B. Different from tax evasion. C. Different from tax avoidance. D. All the above are correct. 54. The remuneration payable to one managerial person in a company shall not exceed dash. A. 5% of the company's net profit. B. 8% of the company's net profit. C. 10% of the company's net profit. D. 11% of the company's net profit. 55. The first annual general meeting can be held from the date of incorporation of the company. A. Within 15 months. B. Within 12 months. C. Within 18 months. D. Within 24 months. 56. A director can be removed from the office by the central government on the recommendation of dash. A. Labor Tribunal. B. The Company Law Board. C. The Company Law Tribunal. D. The Registrar of the Companies. 57. Theory of hierarchical of human needs is proposed by dash. A. Morgan. B. Murray. C. Atkinson. D. Abraham Maslow. 58. Which is not a defense mechanism? A. Rationalization. B. Compensation. C. Projection. D. Conflict. 59. Education related to the needs of the people and the improvement of their socio-economic status is known as A. Adult education, B. Functional education, C. Vocational education, D. Environmental education. 60. Many problems in India are due to A. Poverty, B. Indifferent attitude towards environment, C. Overpopulation, D. Ignorance of people. 61. World Environment Day is observed on A. June 5, B. July 10, C. December 8, D. March 8. 62. The first state in India to implement Panchayat Raj system was A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Gujarat. 63. Human rights education aims at A. Creating awareness of human rights and ways to practice them, B. Equipping the citizens to fight for their rights, C. Protect the poor and socially deprived people, D. Establishing protection homes for women and children. 64. Social education is aimed to A. Develop social change alone, B. Improve the standard of living, C. Create social awareness and develop social change, D. Eradicate illiteracy. 65. The very popular technical innovation in teaching is A. Science laboratory, B. Language laboratory, C. Computer laboratory, D. Technical laboratory. 66. Decision making forms an integral part of A. Planning, B. Coordinating, C. Evaluating, D. Researching. 67. The Red Fort of Delhi was built by A. Shah Jahan, B. Jahangir, C. Aurangzeb, D. Akbar. 68. Tropical cyclones in China and Japan are known as A. Hurricanes, B. Tornadoes, C. Typhoons, D. Willy Willies. 69. On which river has the Hirakud Dam been built? A. Mahanadi, B. Godavari, C. Narmada, D. Ravi. 70. The major aim of population education is A. To make the individual aware of the processes and consequences of population growth, B. To provide family planning education, C. To persuade people to have small family, D. To provide family and health education. 71. Marketing is a bar an A. Social process, B. Economic process, C. Exchange process, D. Both A and B. 72. Breaking the bulk is possible when there is A. Channel of distribution, B. Middleman, C. Transportation, D. None of these. 73. Administrative overheads are recovered as a percentage of A. Direct material, B. Direct wages, C. Prime cost, D. Works cost. 74. A factory is manufacturing only one uniform type of product. Which method of absorbing factory overheads would you suggest? A. Percentage of direct wages. B. Direct labor hour rate. C. Machine hour rate. D. Rate per unit of output. $75. Closing stock in costing books is valued at A. Cost of production. B. Cost or market price, whichever is lower. C. Selling price. D. Factory cost of the goods produced. $76. The increase or decrease in total cost that result from any variation in operation is called A. Marginal cost. B. Additional cost. C. Differential cost. D. None of these. 77. Advertisement made at the place of sale is called as A. Outdoor advertisement. B. Point of purchase advertisement. C. Press publicity. D. Direct mail advertising. $78. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 envisages three-tier quasi-judicial machinery, and they are A. Supreme Court, High Court, District Council. B. National Commission, High Court and District Forum. C. National Commission, State Commission and District Forum. D. Supreme Court, State Commission and District Forum. $79. Ratio of performing assets to total assets is peculiar in A. Banking industry. B. Insurance industry. C. Public utility. D. Airline industry. 80. The document which provides information regarding the progress of each job at each operation is A. Progress advice, B. Job ticket, C. Job order, D. Information card. 81. Profit volume ratio establishes the relationship between A. Contribution and sales value, B. Contribution and profit, C. Fixed cost and contribution, D. Profit and loss. 82. The type of process loss that should not affect the cost of inventory value is A. Abnormal loss, B. Normal loss, C. Seasonal loss, D. Standard loss. 83. Budget is only a management tool. It is not a substitute for management. The statement is A. Correct, B. Wrong, C. Correct depending upon the situation, D. Incomplete. 84. What is the accepted standard for current ratio? A. 2:1, B. 1:2, C. 2:3, D. 1:3. 85. Cost volume profit analysis is an important profit planning tool and provides information about the A. Behavior of cost in relation to volume, B. Sensitivity of profit due to variation of output, C. Amount of profit for a projected sales, D. Amount of sales for a projected sales. 86. The break-even chart helps the management in A. Forecasting cost and profits, B. Cost control, C. Long-term planning and growth, D. All of these. 87. Is there any arbitrary cuts or increase in budget estimation in zero-based budgeting? A. Yes. B. No. C. Something. D. Irrelevant. '88. Which of the following statement is bar or correct? 1. Fixed expenses are estimated on the basis of past record. Second, variable expenses are estimated on the basis of budgeted output. A. Statement 1 is correct, not statement 2. B. Both statements are correct. C. Statement 2 is correct, not statement 1. D. Both statements are wrong. 89. What do you mean by gestation period? A. Time taken to make capital decisions. B. Time taken to select an investment proposal. C. Time taken to get return. D. None of these. 90. The minimum of rate of return before which a project would not be recommended is called A. Profit point. B. Break-even point. C. Cutoff point. D. None of these. 91. Excess working capital may result in A. Liberal credit policy. B. Defective credit policy. C. Bad debts. D. All of these. 92. To prevent recurrence of scam in Indian capital market, the Government of India has assigned regulatory powers to A. SEBI, B. RBI, C. SBI, D. ICICI. 93. A company may change its name by passing A. An ordinary resolution. B. A special resolution. C. Unanimous of the board. D. A special and an ordinary resolution. 94. Qualification shares for a director are provided in the A. Companies Act, B. Memorandum of Association, C. Articles of Association, D. Contract between company and directors. 95. If a public company limited by shares does not have its own article, it may adopt A. Table A of Schedule 1, B. Table B of Schedule 1, C. Table C of Schedule 1, D. Table D of Schedule 1. 96. The term SEZ refers to A. Special Export Zone, B. State Export Zone, C. Special Excellent Zone, D. Special Economic Zone. 97. Section 224 of the Companies Act 1956 deals with A. Special audit, B. Cost audit, C. Powers of auditor, D. Appointment and remuneration of auditors. 98. Depreciation allowance is given under A. Section 33, B. Section 108, 10B, Section 10B, C. Section 32, D. Section 35A. 99. The Chartered Accountants Act was enacted in the year A. 1951, B. 1955, C. 1959, D. 1949. 100. What is the correct sequence of the following aspects in auditing? First one, special audit. Second one, internal audit. Third one, internal check. Fourth one, annual audit. Option A, 1, 3, 2, 4. B, 3, 4, 1, 2. C, 3, 2, 4, 1. D, 1, 2, 3, 4. இப்போது உங்கள் கையில் ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டு இருக்குது. 100 கொஸ்டினுக்கும் ஆன்சர் எழுதி வச்சுருக்கீங்க, மார்க் பண்ணி வச்சுருக்கீங்க. இப்போது அதை கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இப்போது ஆன்சர் ஒன்று ஒன்றா படிக்கிறேன், அப்படியே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு வாங்க. 1A 2C 3B 4D 5B 6C 7A 8C 9A 10A 11C 12A 13B 14D 15B 16D 17A 18D 19C 20C 21D 22C 23C 24D 25A 26D 27A 28D 29B 30B 31A 32D 33C 34D B 34B 35A 36D 37D 38B 39C 40B 41A 42D 43B 44B 45D 46A 47B 48B 49B 50A 51C 52B 53D 54A 55C 56C 57D 58D 59B 60C 61A 62B 63A 64C 65C 66C 67B 68C 69A 70A 71D 72B 73D 74D 75B 76C 77B 78C 79A 80C 81A 82A 83A 84A 85A 86D 87B 88B 89C 90C 91A 92A 93B 94C 95A 96D 97D, 98C, 99D, 100C. இப்போது உங்களோட டோட்டல் எவ்வளவு கரெக்டாக வந்திருக்கு அப்படின்னு பாருங்கள். அதை மறக்காமல் கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. அப்போ தான் உங்களோட பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு நான் பார்க்க முடியும். அதே நேரத்தில் என்னோட வீடியோஸ் எப்படி உங்ககிட்ட போய் சேர்ந்துருக்குங்கிறத நான் புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியும். மறக்காமல் உங்களோட மார்க் எவ்வளவு எடுத்திருக்கீங்க அப்படிங்கிறத கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும் நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன், தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.